Hello people, welcome back to an episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another episode in my festive series. Now this is going to be a very important series for this festive season because I'm going to tackle anything and everything around that I can think of this festive season and drop it in that series so that it can help you get your makeup game on spot. We definitely want that because we are celebrating our festivals almost after a year and a half, and we definitely deserve to celebrate it like we should be celebrating it. Anyways, this episode is specifically about lipsticks and for those people who don't put full face of makeup on. Now we all know there are all kinds of people around us, and then there are people who like full face of makeup on and go out, but there are also people who don't like to do full face of makeup but still like a little pop here and there just to glam up a little bit. So I thought I would come up with lipsticks. By the way, this is inspired by Shreya Jain's video. She was the one whom I saw where she's swatching her lipsticks on bare face and on full face of makeup. Now I have quite a few recommendations of lipsticks for full face of makeup, and now I thought I would make one for people who don't like full face of makeup or who like going bare face with just a lipstick and maybe a kajal and little bit here and there. I have done my brows and I have applied little bit of blush. Apart from that, there's nothing else on my face. Eyebrows, blush, and of course skincare. So that's what I have applied right now, and we are going to have a few recommendations, a few lipsticks that are bright and popping and perfect for this festive season because, as I said, we want to make the entry bang on. So yeah, without me much blabbering, I will tell you 5 recommendations of the lipsticks that just add a perfect glam to your face without having full face of makeup on. Let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. And the first lipstick we are going to be talking about is this one right here. This is by Lakme. It's from their Absolute range and the shade name is 203 Shocking Pink. It's a very nice bright pink in the shades of red, but I really like how it immediately gives that pop to your face without even having makeup on. So talking about this lipstick, it is very beautiful, very comfortable, creamy, but still stays long. Like it can easily stay somewhere around 5 hours or so if you don't use or eat anything oily. Because when you eat oily, it's a bullet lipstick, it's definitely going to go away. But otherwise, it's very comfortable and it looks so beautiful. Like the formula is very comfortable, the pigmentation is awesome because I have like very pigmented lips. But this one stroke works great for me. So I would definitely recommend this because it's affordable and it's beautiful and everything good that you would ask from a lipstick. And the next lipstick we are going to be talking about is one by MAC, because of course when we are talking about lipsticks and when we are talking about festive season, how can we miss out on MAC, right? So this lipstick is not Ruby Woo, if that's your guess, because I know Ruby Woo is like everywhere. Everybody knows about MAC Ruby Woo and how stunning of a lipstick it is, but I think this one, the Russian red, is so underrated. Such a beautiful color, looks so beautiful on Indian skin tones, but it has just not got its due credit. So I thought I should definitely mention this here on this video specifically for Indian skin tones. I'll apply this and show you. And guys, this is how this Russian red is looking. I absolutely love this color and this formula, so definitely I love because it's been here since forever and everybody loves this formula and I am no exception. It's my forever favorite and I keep buying this again. By the way, if you're thinking that MAC lipsticks are expensive so you might not be able to buy it, there are minis available of this shade as well, and this was part of one of Shreya Jain's that festive makeup kit that she had formulated in collaboration with MAC. So I got this during that time and it was really affordable in that way. and there are always offers going on Nykaa and Purple and so many other brands, so you can go and buy this out. Definitely you might find a little bit of discount, and also you can, you know, if you want, you can go ahead and buy a mini. That would also be very, very pocket friendly, and you'll be able to use your you would be able to use the formula that's one of the favorites in the world, right? No exaggeration here, but I love this lipstick, and I love how it gives that pop, this glam to my face immediately. And the third lipstick we are going to be talking about is this one by Lakme. It's Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse, and I like how different this color is. It's that mauvey brownish shade, which I will apply and you'll be able to see. It's in the shade Rose Touch. Now this is a lip and a cheek tint, so if you are that multi-use person who likes one thing used, you know, used doubled up, so you can definitely use this one because it's a matte lipstick and it looks absolutely beautiful. But let's just put it on first. And this is how this Rose Touch looks. Absolutely beautiful. It is a perfect combination of neither being a nude nor a bright lipstick. It just gives you that perfect touch of color without going overboard, and still add so much glam to your face. Like you can see right here, I am obsessed with this color. Whenever I am not sure what I want to wear, or whenever I don't want to wear a bright lipstick, neither a nude lipstick, I definitely reach out to this one because it is very, very, very beautiful mauvish pinkish kind of a shade, which immediately brightens up your face, and at the same time it is a very long lasting formula. It's a matte lipstick but still very, very comfortable, very, very comfortable, definitely. So this is also budget friendly, so everything good in a lipstick. Great pigmentation, so if you have a pigmented lips and you want a lipstick that covers it up really well without changing its shade, this is the one to reach for. So great pigmentation, great price, and is easily available in the market, so go ahead and buy this one. And the next lipstick we are going to be talking about is definitely Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipsticks. Amazing formula, very comfortable, very long wearing. But before that, we are using the shade 40 Believer, and we are going to put this on and see how it looks and if it is something that you would like. And this is how Believer looks. Now this is a shade that's very, very, very unique, not something that you would find generally in liquid lipstick formulas. And if you want to go a little away from your normal reds and pinks, so I think this is one color that immediately adds a very, very nice bright look to your face without putting on too much of makeup. And also this goes into little, you know, shades like wine or maroon, dark maroon, or a purple like this one, and I love this color. I really like it. Again, the formula is very good, very long lasting. You eat, you drink, you kiss, you do whatever. This is not going to budge until and unless you use a makeup remover to remove it. So definitely a lipstick to put your hands on, try your hands on. This retails for 650 rupees. You always find this on sale. And if you don't like this color in particular, but if you want a long lasting formula that's also comfortable, go and check. There are a lot of shades available in this particular range. You can definitely try your hands on because this deserves it. And as I said, that formula has a lot of beautiful shades, so I could not stop at one. And here is the another one from the same formula, Maybelline Matte Ink. This is Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and this is one of the new shades that they have launched in the same formula. It's the shade 80 Ruler, and oh my god, I mean, I don't know why they didn't have this earlier. Such a beautiful shade. Isn't the shade beautiful? It brightens up your face so much. It has immediately given such a glamorous look to your face. It has brightened it up, add a pop of color without going overboard like a red or a pink, right? A perfect nude shade which doesn't look nude, right? I love this shade. Again, the formula is outstanding, long lasting, very comfortable, easy to wear, and you can eat and drink whatever you want in the world when you are applying this lipstick, and you don't have to touch up. Definitely one of my favorite formulas and one of my favorite shades easily. I have so many lipsticks from the same range, and if you want me to swatch them, let me know in the description box and I'll be happy to do that. Alright guys, those are my 5 lipstick recommendations this festive season to use on your bare face, where it would immediately brighten up and give you a glam look without putting full face on. So if you like any of the lipsticks and you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it, because they are definitely worth every penny that you spend on them. And I obsess on these 5 lipsticks. If you too, let me know down in the description box. If you're buying any of it, please let me know that too down in the description box, so that I know that these videos are helpful for you guys. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. That doesn't cost you anything, but it means a lot to me. Until then, take care. Tada!